My favorite part about Creative Connections is just getting to meet like so many different people from around Odeya, and especially with like video. Last year I did short film, this year I'm in live video, and just getting to see like all the things that we bring to the table, like coming from different schools and like different levels of education.
So in live video, we come together and we stream all the performances at the end of the week, and we stream it live on YouTube. So there's a lot of like connecting pieces with like creating like the intro videos, making sure all the sound works, and making sure the stream works together and looks good for the people on the live and the people that are watching. And I think that people might like overlook that because people might see just live video and think, oh, it's just a camera, and it's a lot more than that, and it's a lot.
Live video, we do a lot of behind the scenes stuff. So all these chairs that you see behind me, we set these up. It's really cool getting to see all the different workshops in action because being in live video.